Hello everyone, today I am reviewing this coil nailer I got from Amazon. This nailer is ideal for installing fiber cement and wood shingle siding, making it a great option for outdoor projects. It drives 15-degree wire and plastic-collated nails, which really adds to its convenience when you're working on different types of materials. The construction is rugged and the lightweight aluminum housing feels durable and sturdy in your hands. One of the standout features is the easy loading adjustable canister. It really helps save time on the job. There are rubber bumpers on the tool to help protect it from the drops, which is a nice touch if you're working in a busy environment. And lastly, it has a multi-directional exhaust port and a reversible belt hook, which makes it easy to use in various positions without getting in the way. Overall, the Makita AN613 is a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable siding nailer.